Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing Megared Antarctic Krill Oil, a supplement that claims to boost heart, joint, and brain health while also helping with workout recovery. I've been trying it for a few weeks, so here's my honest take. Megared is a premium omega-3 supplement made from sustainably sourced Antarctic krill. Each soft gel is meant to deliver EPA and DHA, the essential fatty acids your body uses to support brain function, and also supports reduce inflammation and promote heart health. The brand claims that because krill oil is bound to phospholipids, it's better absorbed than fish oil. It also says you'll get more benefits with smaller doses, including smoother joints, faster muscle recovery, and better focus. When I started taking it, I noticed less bloating compared to regular fish oil and no fishy burps at all, which is a huge plus for me. My post-workout soreness did seem to lessen a bit after the first week. The capsules are small and easy to take, which is great. However, I checked the label and found that each serving only gives 350 mg of omega-3s with around 90 mg EPA and 50 mg DHA, much lower than clinical doses used for performance or inflammation benefits. The dosage is also really low. You would need multiple capsules a day to reach meaningful levels, and that makes it quite pricey. Also, while the purity and absorption are great, it's not a magic fix for workouts or recovery. Megared Antarctic Krill Oil is one of the cleanest and most digestible omega-3s out there, but the dosage I think is a little bit too low for athletic performance or major recovery benefits. It is perfect for light maintenance, but not enough if you're serious about results. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.